Parrots don't just perform tricks because we ask them to. They do it because they want to. Watch this little guy, he's not being forced. He's working the system like a pro. Did you know that the secret to training a parrot isn't punishment or repetition, it's positive reinforcement? Give a clear cue, mark the exact moment they get it right, and deliver an instant, high-value reward, like this perfect nut. See that excitement? That little hop, the head bob, the full body commitment? That's pure joy. He's saying, I nailed it, now pay up.